Tier 1 Accessible Technology Quick Tips, Barbara Welsford. This Tier 1 quick tip focuses on keyboards within the general setting on iOS 13 mobile devices. This is a demonstration of the Tier 1 accessibility option of manipulating your on-screen keyboards, which can be beneficial to many students and specifically to some students who need some extra supports. So go to your Settings app in General and let's pull down Keyboards. This is where I can go and assign some other keyboards, English Canada, or we normally use the QWERTY keyboard. I also have the option to assign third-party keyboards. I can demonstrate the Keyboard keyboard, which is a fully accessible third-party keyboard app by AssistiveWare to enhance access by students with physical disabilities or visual impairments. This is where you can see too, I can turn off or on auto capitalization. By default, all of these are turned on. I can here enable dictation or not, and that's the Siri or speech to text option, which is so valuable for so many students. But this is the one I specifically wanted to show you, and this is turning on or off your word prediction bar. So let's start typing today. You notice that my word prediction bar is not showing up on my typical typing app or any typing app on your iPad when that feature is turned off. So I have to type the word. Again, choose those options as needed, and I can also turn off the emoji keyboard as well, which might be a distractor for some students. Who benefits from changing various keyboard settings? Turn on word prediction in the keyboard setting when a student needs more support with spelling. But please note, they still need to be able to formulate a sentence, have the vocabulary to do that, and prior knowledge, of course, and begin spelling the desired words and recognizing that word in the predicted word bank and be able to select that word. We turn on word prediction to assist students with motor impairments as well to reduce keystrokes. And we turn off word prediction when a student is distracted by those options. Turn on read aloud of predicted word in the spoken content within the accessibility option setting for those students having difficulties reading and choosing the correct predicted word. Turn on dictation to offer students option to use speech to text. But please note, there are prerequisite skills to using this feature effectively, and it does take practice. Dictation will never make a spelling mistake. It makes recognition errors, so it requires proofreading of text. You can bold the keys on the keyboard as well to enhance visual access for any user by going to Accessibility and choosing Display and Text Size. Choose larger text and turn that on. Adjust the size of the on-screen keyboard text, and it will also enlarge the text on any onboard app and screen. What to do when this accessible feature is not working for the student? At this point, we suggest making a referral to your assistive technology specialist or AT designate for a more in-depth assistive technology assessment to indicate what specific Tier 2 or Tier 3 assistive technology and or other supports or interventions will enhance performance of that student with written output.